you doing? This is Jeff Davis, Diesel Class 11. Today we're going to be going over alignments on the vehicle. We're going to be doing this on one of the shop trucks. First, we're just going to go over the tools you're going to need to do the alignment. Alright, tools you're going to need to do the alignment. Going to need a tape measure, protractor, string, some type of straight edge. So this is what we have here for our straight edge. And another method, you need another straight edge, 2 C-clamps, and a square. You square it up to the vehicle. So when we start this off, we're going to actually start at the front of the vehicle. So we start at the front of the vehicle. First measurement we do is straight up there from the U-bolt, holding the leaf spring, holding the axle, and since this one does not have a nipple back here for on the front, we're going to measure to that bolt. So in this measurement is the setback. Now all measurements we do, we're going to do the same on both sides. That's the only way we're going to get the proper reading. I got my tape measure here. Like I said, I go right to that U-bolt, if I can get it on there, and hold the camera. So right to that U-bolt, to that bolt. So once I get my measurement on that side, well, I do the same. Like I said, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, that was my setback. The reason I'm doing my setback is I want to make sure that my front axle is aligned and it's straight, so that way I can do my measurements back here on the back. The next one, I'm going to get my string, or I'm going to use my straight bar here, which I already have mounted up. It's already squared off to the truck. And the other thing you need to make sure is, one, it's squared off to the truck, but two, that the ends are the same distance away from the frame on both sides. Otherwise, your measurement's going to be off. For the string method, I know Mr. Yutzy, you're probably hating me right now with the camera movement, but I guess that's what I get for doing this by myself. Alright, you're going to find a bolt on the back here, on the frame. I mean, seems pretty obvious, but you've seen some of the students around here. I'm going to go around the tire and run this all the way to the front axle. Without getting it bound up or anything else because someone wound it up wrong. If you can see straight down the string, you may or not be able to, what you're looking for here, or where you want to get your measurement at, is once it touches the other side of the back side of that tire. So obviously it's wrapped around one side of the tire right now, so it's touching that side. I'm going to bring it in until it touches the other side of that tire. I'm going to get my measurement right here off the center.